In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add background to your text in Capcut. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add text on your video. And you can do it by using this add text. And then from here, go ahead and write your text. And here's my text, but you can see it has no background. So to add background, go ahead and choose the style option here. And under this, scroll and choose any style that you so wish that has a background. So for instance, this text has background, so you can choose this and look at that. The background has been added. So if you want a white background, you can choose this or this. If you want a black background, you can choose this. Once you're done, just tap on this check mark. Next, you may want to style it further by increasing the size. So if you use this option, you'll be able to increase the size. And now you can do this to the size that you so wish. You can also move your text to whichever place that you so wish, and it will be added. So once you're done, just click on this check mark to apply the effects, and also increase or reduce the length of your text by adjusting this to any length. So that's how you add background to your text in Capcut videos using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.